In the previous video 12.0 we talked about the multi-site map. Now we're going to talk about this button, what they're for. Let's go to the main. We have our global map for Canada and for the US. I click on it, I click on it, click on it, and I get into my map. I go back, go to Canada, I do the same, and so on. Okay? How can I control that? So, again, I go to a multi-site, setup, design global map. So as you can see, I got here my first map, as we saw at the beginning, main, this map. I'm going to change it. I'm going to put something more fancy or less fancy. Let's see. I'll choose the global map. This one will do it. You have two icons, one for Canada and one for the US, right? So we can change these icons as well. Load, we can choose one. It's going to be Canada, small flag. Yeah. Let's say, let's leave it that way, and I'll put it here. And this one, gonna do the US, the same. Just say, got my icon, done. And I'll put it here. I'll save this one. Now go to Canada. I can choose this as a map or add a map on it in case I have more locations and I want to create more sites. But anyway, I'm gonna use this icon. I'm gonna change it and I'm gonna leave no background. So I open up again, double click, add. Let's choose Canada map. This one will do it. Can map. Hit OK. OK. And I can move it wherever I want. I'm going to put it here in the corner. And again, I'm going to do the same for the US. Double click on it. You know, I'm going to show you the different version. Now I'm going to add here the US map. So US map, here it is. And our icon. I'm going to add it here down to Miami, Florida. Okay, so we can see it. We save it. We go back to our WatchNet building. So here I can use this one as a building, or I can create a background. I'm gonna use this one as a building as well. Load, add, building. Yeah, let's use this one. Can build. Let's see if it's not too big. No, actually it's okay. And then our floors. So here you can also create like a map icon. No, not this one. Let's use another one, old one we got. Okay, okay. And again, the US. We got our icon. This icon, I'm gonna change it also as a building. So let's see. Now let's go for icon. Yeah, we can use this one. Leave it here. Okay. So I'll put it here in Texas. I think is better. Then WatchNet. The same. I'm gonna put a building as a background. Now. Let me see if I can see something fancy. Let's use this one. It's not that big. And here's our icon. So if we have more than one a floor or a site on it, we can add it. So I'm going to put this one on the parking. And again, I can change the icon if I want. I'm going to change it for something different. Let's see. What else do we have here? No, sorry. Let's use a car for this purpose. Okay, so we can use it as a reference for building entrance. Then again, the lobby. Change this icon for a map. Here, this one. Yeah, to be equal as Canada. We hit save. We hit close. Close. And now we got our multi-site map. So I'm going to close this window and show you this one. As you can see, we have Canada, we have the US, we have our global map. In our global map, I can click on the flags as well, on the map, on the building, on the map, and get into my map. I can go back, go to the US now, click into my icon. Now this won't work because this is the background. I'm going to use this one as an icon. And if I scroll down a little bit here, I can see the other icon. I get in, and there I am. So you might see this a little bit complicated, but it's logic. Okay, you can see whatever I do, it will jump between maps. Okay, right now I'm going to open Canada. Sorry, the US. I see this one selected. That is the one that is opening. Then I'm going to Canada. It will jump and it will show me the door that is opening. So again, I'm going to open the lock. There it is. Okay, I can double click. If I have only one camera, it will show up here, and then we can make like a multi-channel. So any event that occurs to this door, we can make a record, and that's the integration that we will talk about in a few minutes. Thanks for watching.